Hi! Ako si Eunice, isang live-in caregiver dito sa bansang Singapore. So ngayon, yan yung corgi dog ng aking amo. Samahan nyo akong ihatid natin siya sa kanyang school. So once a week, napunta siya sa school niya. So minsan na naghahatid yung partner ko, minsan ako, kung sinong free sa amin. Madalas sumasama yung boss namin sa paghatid yan. Pero ngayon kasi galing ako morning shift, tas ngayon night shift, so ako muna ang maghahatid dyan sa corgi dog ni sir na ang pangalan is Cookie. So tara, samahan nyo. Oh, you gonna pee? Yeah. No. Cookie, we're going to your school. Social tong ason to eh.
Did the Pandi never come?
I don't know, maybe. Diba? The dry mango.
Very nice.
How many times you go in the Philippines?
When I was young.
So expensive, right?
Did you go back?
Go back when? Yeah. She leaving tonight around 10, but she is night and morning duty. After that, I will take over. Yeah. Yeah.
Anybody take her?
Yeah. Maybe book Grab or something.
Here long, huh?
No, I only work here for 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah,
Okay.
8 months. Then, but I stay here in Singapore 9 months. I arrived here August 5.
5 years.
Yeah, then I looking for a job.
You like Singapore?
Yeah.
But expensive, huh?
Expensive, yeah, but you know the work so hard. It's hard to earn money.
Yeah. Hard life.
Yeah. So hindi lang pag-aalaga ng tao ang cover ng isang caregiver, minsan nag-aalaga din kami ng hayop. Kami din nagpapakain yan. So
Wait,
nandito na kami
Cookie.
sa kanyang school.
Wait.
So hinahatid namin yan 9 AM. Tapos susunduin na lang siya kung sinong morning duty. Susunduin na lang siya ng around 4 to 4:30 dyan sa school
Go to
niya.
school.
So yan, napunta siya dyan once a week. Yan, social, diba? Social ang dog ng boss namin. Corgi dog from Australia. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ako si Mami Eunice, and to my Facebook. Yun lang, bye!